Hello, YouTube Partner Program team. We are the owner of Punjabi TV USA YouTube channel. We recently received a notice of content reuse. This video shows how we create our original and how we'll ensure that our channel stays compliant. Punjabi TV USA channel is owned by the entity called Punjabi Radio USA, which is FCC compliant, operating under the license of FCC for 14 AM and FM stations that we own and operate in state of California, USA. We have two primary studios in California, San Jose Bay Area, as well as in California Central Valley in Fresno. Regarding the reuse content notice, it's not clear from the information that has been provided that where this content is reused from, but we would assume this came from Punjabi Radio USA. Every once in a while, since we operate both channels, Punjabi Radio USA as well as Punjabi TV USA, so now we assume that it came from there. Now, the reason why Punjabi TV USA uses kind of similar content from Punjabi Radio USA is because the Punjabi Radio USA is not accessible from India, where a lot of Punjabi diaspora hails from. So, in order to reach there, the Punjabi TV USA creates and publishes that content so the audience in India can access it. So that's the whole intent of it. We have our own studios and the content belong to us. 100% of our content is created, owned, edited, designed for our use, and none of the content is reused from any other sources. So we own all the rights of our content. We create all type of contents, includes commentary, education, technology, entertainment, news, humor, analysis, you name it. Now, addressing the content of two channels. As I said, we have two channels, Punjabi Radio USA and Punjabi TV USA. Historically, we have cross-posted some videos, and we understand that it may appear as a reuse content. So we also read that the new policy changes that came into picture from July 15 of 2025. From today, we will make Punjabi TV USA as a primary home for originals. We'll stop cross-posting and we'll pivot the Punjabi Radio USA to a distinct audience, primarily folks related to US only. In the end, we reiterate that we have read the recent changes that has been made by YPP on repetitious content dated July 15, 2025, March 10 of 2025, and March 3 of 2022. And reiterate that our content is original creation and no mass-produced templates, and it is a transformative work. As I mentioned earlier, the channel audience of both channels are different. It is intended for a different geographical location. So thank you again for reviewing. We believe that our channel will meet YPP policies, and we are implemented the mentioned items in future to avoid any type of confusion. Thank you so much.